So, number 9 is asking you to solve the equation. The first step is to find the lowest common denominator. It's going to be times x plus 2. So what you're going to do with that knowledge is you're going to say, okay, 1 over x plus 2 times x plus 2. This is going to look super complicated at first, but it's going to all work out. Plus 1 over x times x plus 2 equals 3 times x plus 2. And then we're going to look at the left side first. So we can cancel out that x plus 2. And then we're going to be left with x. Going to our next term, we're going to cross out that x because they're both going to cancel out. And then we're going to be left with plus x plus 2. And then on the right side, we are going to basically distribute this x first. And then we're going to have 3 times x squared plus 2x. And then we are going to distribute that 3. And then that's going to leave us with x plus 2 equals 3x squared plus 2x. Or sorry, that should be plus 6x. That's my bad. And then if we simplify the left, it's going to be 2x plus 2 equals 3x squared plus 6x. From this point forward, we can get everything on one side. Keep your leading term positive. So we're going to subtract 2x and then 2 minus 2x minus 2. And then we are going to have an equation that says, and this is going to bleed over onto the next page, but 0 equals 3x squared plus 4x minus 2. I'm going to tell you right now, it's not going to break down by the product and sum rule. We're going to have to use the quadratic equation, which is x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So here's our a, our b, our c. So x equals negative 4 plus or minus 4 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 2 all over 2 times 3. So x is going to equal negative 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 4 times negative 6 all over 6. So x is going to equal negative 4 plus or minus square root of 16 plus 24, if I have that math right. Hold up. That's going to simplify to just it's going to be plus 24, 16 plus 24, which is going to simplify into 40. That's going to be over 6. So then x is going to equal negative 4, and then we're going to break down this. So 40 can be broken down into 2 times 20. 20 can be broken down into 2 times 10. 10 can be broken down into 5 times 2. Then nothing can be broken down further. So we have a pair of 2 that can get out. So we have 2. And then these 5 and the 2, they're going to have to stay inside. So 5 times 2, that's going to be 2 square roots of 10. So 4 plus or minus plus or minus 2 square roots of 10 all over 6. And all of these terms are divisible by 2. So it can be simplified into x equals 2 plus or minus square root of 10 over 3. Because the 1 in 2 divided by 2 is just going to be 1, and the 1 is inferred. So yeah. And that's all you have to do. It's a lot, but yeah.